welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today we're going to be sewing, and I've never sewed in my life, so I'm kind of scared of this because I have no idea of how it's going to turn out. But anyways, so today I've chosen two outfits that I am going to be making from ugly into cute. And if you guys want to see the end results, then go ahead and continue watching the process of how I will be styling my ugly clothing, and I will be showing the before and after results in the end of the video. So let's just go ahead and start. So this is going to be the first outfit, and as you guys can tell, the shorts are new. And I'm basically going to be telling you guys what I'm going to be doing to each of the outfits. So for the first outfit and the shirt, we're going to be cutting it like this. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's going to be more like of a short crop top. And then for the shorts, we're also going to be making them a little bit shorter, and we're also going to be ripping them all over. And for the next outfit, as you guys can tell, the shorts are ripped and they are also new. And then the shirt is really simple. We're going to go ahead and cut the sides of this. And I'm sorry that the lighting is really bad, but we're going to be cutting the sides of this. And we're just going to leave the sides open. And we're also going to make it a little bit more cropped, so shorter. And then the shorts, we're also going to go ahead and we're going to cut them a little bit shorter. But we're also going to be adding more rips. Okay, so I first did a hole, and that way I measured it to how short I wanted the shirt before I did sew it. And then after, I just kind of tried to make it straight from where I kind of messed up when I was cutting it. And let me tell you guys, as I mentioned earlier, I have never sewed in my life, so I had no idea how to even start the sewing machine, but it is my mom's and she did help me set it up. Also, this is what I had in mind for the shirt. The thread was not straight since, again, it was my first time ever sewing. I couldn't really do it right. And also what I loved about the shirt is that it has like an extra fabric so that it keeps your shirt from not moving around. And then to know where I was going to cut the shorts, I did first wear them and try them on to make sure where I wanted the cut. And I just drew a little line with like a lipstick, and then I went ahead and cut it. And then as well, to make the rips, I as well used a lipstick. You can go ahead and use anything else, just make sure that it's nothing permanent. That way when you wash it, it does come off easily. Also, when you're going to go ahead and do the rips, make sure that when you do the lines, I did them wrong, but when you do the lines, the top ones are smaller than the middle ones, so the middle ones are going to be bigger. And then you're just going to go ahead and start ripping them. What I do is I just rip each fiber out, just the way I'm showing you right now. And look at the outcome of these shorts. They came out so cute. It doesn't even look like I did the rip. And then what I'm doing is I'm just trying to loosen up the fibers. That way when I wash the shorts, they can loosen up and make the shorts look more distressed. Okay guys, so I am finally finished with the first summer outfit, and look how cute that looks. I love it. As I did mention, I am not finished yet with the shorts, but I am basically finished, but all I need to do is wash them so that this part right here, the fibers, they kind of like get a little bit more messier and give you more of a ripped short vibe, if you guys know what I mean. But yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and start the next outfit. Okay guys, before we do start the second outfit, I do want to let you guys know I have a different eyeshadow and different shirt. That is because I started the video yesterday, which it's going to be obviously in the same video. And I did not finish because I started the video pretty late. I started like at 10 of the night, and I finished literally like at 2 because I had to sew. And then if you guys have ever tried ripping jeans, it does take a pretty long time because you have to like take out every single fiber, like just one at a time, like through every like rip, and that takes a pretty long time. So I did finish pretty late, and it was, like I said again, 2 of the morning, and I still had to do the other outfit, and I still had to sew it, and then I had to rip more. So I was like, you know what, like I'll just finish it tomorrow, you know. But that's basically what happened. Also, I did forget to mention that some people just throw in the shorts or the jeans or whatever they're trying to rip in the dryer and washing machine, since it will just do the work for you. I've never tried it, and I don't know if I want to try it because I don't know how it's going to come out. I usually just do it as I showed you guys earlier, just plucking out every single fiber. So that's what I did, just in case you guys are going to tell me, Daniela, why didn't you just throw in the dryer and washing machine? You know, it would have been much easier. But again, it just really depends how you want to do it. As long as it comes out ripped, It's all that matters. So same thing with the other shirt. I as well wanted this one to be cropped, so I went ahead and cut it. And then I also started to take off the thread that was originally already there. By the way, the thread that I am taking off is the one where I was supposed to cut the sides, but if I did just take off the thread, I would basically already have some cut sides. Also, I have no idea when this happened, but as you can see, the top part, it ripped, and I noticed when I was taking the video. So for these shorts, I did use a ruler, and that was because I did find a ruler which would make everything much easier. And same thing as the other shorts, I as well used a lip liner to do the rips. So I just did a lot of lines, as you can see, and then I started to cut them as well as I did with the other shorts. And then this is, I think, a better view of how I took off each fiber in case you guys didn't really understand how. Okay guys, so I finally finished the second outfit, and I did want to show you guys what I was talking about. So this is what I was talking about. So when I put it on, the sides are going to be opened, but the thread that I had was not the same color as a shirt, so that went wrong. I failed on that, but it looks pretty cute. And I did mess up also as well because, as I mentioned, I have never sewed in my life, so yeah. But I tried my best, and I think it came out pretty good for the first time sewing. And then also the shorts, I did the rips, and this is part of the lipstick. I was gonna do the cuts kind of like crooked, but I decided to just do it straight. And then this one, I did it more as a hole, so that way when I put it on, the pocket kind of covers it. So I thought that would look cute. That's why I kind of made like the hole like that. You basically just kind of rip it like with your fingers. Okay guys, and before I do show you the befores and afters of both outfits, we first are going to wash the shorts just because they did have the lipstick as I showed you guys to do the rips, and I don't want to show it to you guys like that because it's not going to look good. And then also, if you guys know, the more you wash them, the more ripped and nicer they come out. So we're just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. It's so cute. And if I would wear it, I would wear it without the bra straps. But since I'm not really going to wear it outside right now, I'm just showing you guys, but it looks so cute. I love it. Like I mentioned, I love these shorts. I will definitely wear them a lot. So cute. The rips, look at that. It doesn't even look like I did it. And then the distressed part. And then the shirt, so cute. So before I show you the second outfit, let me just tell you guys, my second outfit failed so much on the shirt especially. I feel like the shorts were fine. I just feel like the color of them just, I don't know, it just kind of threw them off, which made me not like them. But other than that, they weren't that bad. So to start off, the front part ripped. As you can see, there's still a freaking hole in here. And yeah, it basically just ripped all over here. And as you guys can tell, so this is like the original thread, and this is the thread that I did, which is so messed up. And yeah, when I put it on, you can basically see like the thread that is so much different, because let me show you guys on the bottom part because you can tell way more. The thread is kind of like a bright green, so it's not even the color of the shirt, and you can see it so much. So that was one fail. And then the second fail was obviously the ripped part. And I feel like the thing that I really did like a lot was the design that I tried to do on the side. So when I put it on from the side, it opens, and I think that was my favorite part of the shirt. And I did do it more cropped, and I feel like it's super cute. I just feel like the rip messed it up a lot, and then the thread. Other than that, it was all right. The shorts, I feel like I like the shorts. They were like whatevers, you know. The rips are pretty cute. I just feel like the color of the shorts I did not like. The more you wash them, the more distressed they look. So yeah, it basically makes them cuter. Okay, so here is the second outfit, and like I mentioned with the last outfit, I would as well wear a bra that does not have straps, so that this and this does not happen. But look at how cute that looks. I like it. I just feel like it would have been better if I probably cut the shirt from the back a little bit shorter, so that it kind of had the same length. So like this. I feel like that would look much better, but I did not know that that would happen. Since I did cut it like the same length, I didn't know that the back would still be a little bit longer than the front, but that's totally fine. Also, I kind of noticed that it's kind of like crooked, and I think that's because since this part ripped and I tried to fix it, I kind of sewed a little bit more material than I should have. So kind of like I probably grabbed a little bit more like this, so you see how it's like that, but it's like this. But I feel like this side is much longer, but I feel like you can't really tell that much. Hopefully you can't. Okay, yeah, so that is it from this video. I tried my best to do the best outfits I could. Obviously, I had so many fails and they did not come out perfect, but practice makes perfect. So it was pretty fun. It was kind of irritating, kind of annoying, because I just kept messing up when I thought I was doing fine. And you know, again, like I mentioned, I had so many fails, but it was still fun to do this video, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I definitely will be bringing more videos. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Please like it, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.